In this video, we merge new chickens with our existing flock, discover the pecking order, and train the new chickens how to use Granpas Feeder. We were given 4 chickens by neighbours who were moving abroad. We collected them in a cardboard box and brought them home. We decided that during the evening we would place the new chickens in the coop and lock them in. The old chickens, they're the brown ones, would be introduced to the new chickens at roosting time. Then we would lock in both sets of chickens during the night. Sometimes chickens are more interested in foraging than roosting. The next task would be to train the new chickens on how to use the treadle feeder. The training bolts were positioned so that the feeder would not move. The new chickens would see the food in the feeder and stand on it and feed from it. However, a new pecking order would need to be established. After a week, the new chickens were accustomed to using the treadle feeder. It was time to adjust the training bolts. This time, the lid and the treadle would move when the chickens stepped on the treadle. Initially, the chickens were unsure about the moving parts of the treadle feeder, but as food was still visible in the treadle feeder, there was very much an incentive for them to overcome their nervousness. After a week, we felt the new chickens would be confident with the fully operational treadle feeder. Mind your head, chicken! It didn't take long before the black chicken was back, and soon they were all joining in, although some chickens don't have any manners. 3 weeks on, and a pecking order of sorts is establishing itself. Generally, the 2 flocks are friendly with each other, but they do come together at meal times. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, then press the like button. I will have more videos out in the near future, so please subscribe. And if you have any questions or comments, please let me know in the section below. Bye for now.